Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to today's craft time. Today we're going to make our own puzzle using popsicle sticks. I am basing mine off of the children's book, How Do Dinosaurs Choose Their Pets, written by Jane Yolen. So for today you're going to need jumbo popsicle sticks, a drawing, a printed picture or a photograph of your choosing, a pair of scissors, something to trace with, and a glue stick. All right, let's get started. So I printed my picture from a page of the book, How Do Dinosaurs Choose Their Pets. You're gonna wanna line up your popsicle sticks over the picture that you would like to become your puzzle. After you've got it set up the way you want, you can move all of your popsicle sticks except for one to the side. You're gonna take your pen and you're gonna trace your first popsicle. And it should look something like this. And you're gonna do that to the rest of your popsicle sticks. All right, after you've traced all your popsicle sticks, your paper should look something like this. Then you're gonna take your scissors and you're gonna cut each one of them out. All right, after that's done, you should be able to line up all of your pieces. And you're gonna bring back your popsicle sticks. You're gonna take your glue and you're gonna glue each of your pieces of paper that you just cut out on top of your popsicle stick. And there you have it. You have just made your own puzzle. And parents, if you like to make it a little bit more challenging, if your child is just now learning their numbers and putting them in order, you can number them at the bottom. And you can teach them how to put their numbers in order. There you go. We hope you liked today's craft and we hope you liked this video and hope to see you again soon.